Hello friends and students. Once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. Now we are studying indefinite integration. This is a playlist for indefinite integration and we have started with substitution method. This is a video part 11. The example like this: evaluate number 1 integration of dx 2 plus 3 cos of 2x. Number 2 integration 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x. There is a combination of sin x and cos x, or integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x, integration of 1 upon cos x minus 3 sin x dx. Now in the last part, that is part number 10, we have seen solution of the example like this: 1 upon 1 plus 3 sin square x, or 1 upon 3 plus 2 cos square x, or combination of sin square x and cos square x. Such type of example we have seen in part 10 of video part 10. The solution for such type of example is multiplying by numerator and denominator by cos square x or sin square x, and replace sec square x or cos square x in the denominator by 1 plus tan square x or 1 plus cot square x, and put tan x is equal to t or cot x is equal to t, and we simplify this and we have solved some example on that. Now in the part 11, here it is the combination of sin x and cos x. See the difference. Here it is sin square x or cos square x, but here it is sin x or cos x, or combination of sin x cos x, or maybe cos of 2x or sin of 2x. For such we use, if it is sin x cos x or combination of cos x sin x, we use tan x by 2 is equal to t, and sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. If it is 2x, sin of 2x or cos of 2x, or combination of sin of 2x or cos of 2x, then we use tan x is equal to t, and replace sin of 2x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and for cos of 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. The difference between them is, here in this only sin x cos x is there, then replace, then use tan x by 2 is equal to t, and sin of 2x or cos of 2x, then tan x is equal to t. Now this is the example, these are the examples. Now I will solve the example number 1: integration dx upon 5 plus 3 cos of 2x. Now for that we use tan x is equal to t. So put tan x is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to t, we get sec square x dx is equal to dt. The derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, dx is equal to dt upon sec square x is equal to dt upon sec square x is equal to, by identity, 1 plus tan square x is equal to dt upon tan x is equal to t. So it is 1 plus t square. Dx is replaced by dt upon 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Therefore, the given integration dx is replaced by dt upon 1 plus t square upon 5 plus 3. Cos x is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. This is equal to integration dt upon 1 plus t square upon, here LCM is 1 plus t square, so we multiply 1 plus t square to the 5. 5 into 1 plus t square plus 3 into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. So this is integration of dt upon multiply 5 inside the bracket 5 plus 5t square plus 3 into minus 3t square. So this is equal to dt upon integration 5 plus 3 is 8, 5t square minus 3t square, it is 2t square. It is equal to, we can take 2 common, so it is dt upon 4 plus t square. The integration of such type of example, here integration of a square plus t square is equal to 1 upon tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. So using this, it is equal to 1 upon 2 tan inverse of t. Here 2 square is 4, so it is divided by 2 plus c. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 tan inverse of t. We have taken tan of x. So it is tan x upon 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Example number 3rd. Integration 1 upon cos x minus sin x, or number 4, integration of 1 upon cos x minus root 3 sin x. Now this is of the type of the form integration dx a sin x plus b cos x. We can solve this by using another method. For that, we multiply and divide by under root of a square plus b square to the denominator, so that the coefficient of sin x we call cos alpha, which is equal to a upon under root of a square plus b square, and coefficient of cos x is cos beta b upon under root of a square plus b square, and therefore we get the denominator cos alpha sin x plus sin alpha cos x. It is by using addition formula, it is become sin of alpha plus beta, and if it is taken into the numerator, it is become cosec of x plus alpha, and we can find its integration. Now I will solve the example number 3rd, integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x. The example number 4 is left to you for an exercise. It is an alternative method to the above method. In the above method, we have taken tan x by 2 is equal to t, and substitute sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square for cos 1 minus t square plus 1 plus t square. So we shall solve the example number 3 with the alternate method. Here cos x minus sin x, I multiply and divide by root 2. So 1 upon root 2 cos x minus 1 upon root 2 sin x is equal to root 2. 1 upon root 2 is cos of pi by 4. So it is cos of pi by 4 cos x minus sin of pi by 4 into sin x. Therefore, root 2, here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So it is cos of a plus b. So it is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x. Therefore, given integration become 1 upon root 2 cos x cos of pi by 4 plus x dx is equal to 1 upon root 2 is constant, and cos, if you take in the numerator, it is become sec of pi by 4 plus x dx. We know that integration of sec x dx is equal to log of sec x plus tan x. So using this 1 upon root 2 log of sec x sec of pi by 4 plus x plus tan of pi by 4 plus x plus c. So this is the answer. This method is more easier than the previous method. In previous method we have to take tan x by 2 is equal to t, then find the derivative, then replace sin or cos by 2t upon 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and by using formula, these formulas, by using these formulas you have to solve the given example. So this alternative method is very easy. For that you should know the formulas, cos minus cos, sin minus sin, cos minus sin, like this. So the next example, it is left to you for an exercise for you. Thanking you for watching my video.